You want to give yourself a massage, but you don't have a foam roller. What do? In this video, I'm going to show you some simple tricks to help you give yourself a massage if you don't have a foam roller. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you think right, move right, and feel right. This is the first part of a 4-part video series on helping you with your muscles. So be sure to stay tuned for the next 3 videos. In this video, we're going to talk about how to massage your muscles if you don't have a foam roller. Now, why would you want to massage your muscles? Well, the biggest reason is because it feels good. It helps your muscles relax and it helps your muscles function better. So a lot of people want to use a foam roller for their back muscles. They want to use the foam roller for their thigh muscles. Whatever it is that you're looking for, you can get away with massage without the foam roller, and you can use stuff that you might just have lying around. You're at home, you don't have this, but what you really want to do is massage your thigh. How do you do this kind of an exercise for your thigh muscles if you don't have this foam roller? Well, you've got stuff. Everybody's got stuff. You might have a dumbbell lying around. If you're fitness oriented, you may have a kettlebell lying around. Those two, maybe you don't have weights lying around. You might have a softball. You might have some kind of a stiff ball, maybe a basketball. This is a medicine ball, which functions as a very poor basketball and soccer ball. But you might just have random stuff lying around. What you want to do is identify something that you can put your weight on that will not break or explode. So in this case, a bottle of soda is probably not a good idea, but you want to find something stiff. It could even be like a sturdy can. It can be a pipe. It can be whatever you have lying around, and you can use it to massage your own body. Now I'm going to use this dumbbell as an example. I've got this inanimate object. It's nice and stiff and sturdy. I can use it as my foam roller just by lying down right on top of it. Now, that's stiff and that's pretty painful. Is that something that you should try right away? Probably not, because you're just not as cool as I am. You haven't done this as much as I have already. But you want to find those tender spots. You want to massage those areas with something, but this is so stiff it hurts too much. What you can do is you take a towel, which you should have lying around your house somewhere in the cupboards. You could take 2 towels if you want to pad up that stiff object. So now what I can do is use that padding. It softens up that hard object, and now I can use it to give myself a little bit of a massage, but it's not so crazy intense that I can't breathe anymore. This trick works for pretty much any object. If I use a softball, which by the way is not that soft, I can do the same thing. I can just put it down on the floor, lie down on top of it. If it feels like it's a good intensity level, like those muscles have the ability to relax around that ball, then fantastic. But if it feels like, oh, I can't breathe, then I can take a towel, stick it right up on top. It softens everything up, and I can just relax on it. So whether it's a dumbbell, whether it's a softball, a kettlebell, a deer antler, a set of bull's horns, whatever you have lying around that you're going to use, make sure you don't impale yourself and use a little bit of padding to soften it up, and you'll be able to give yourself a muscular massage wherever you are with whatever you have. The other low-tech option that I haven't even mentioned here is that you've got hands. So if you don't have anything, or you want to just start with the simplest method of massaging your body, you've got hands. You can always just rub and rub and rub. Use your hands, use your knuckles, use your fingers, use your elbow. Whatever you want to do totally works. Of course, you probably can't reach your back with your elbow, and it'd be really, really hard to smash your calves with your forearm. But, use what you got, move around, try to find the tough stuff. That's a totally workable solution as well. And of course, if you can always find a buddy to try to massage your back or your shoulders or whatever it is. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you find this advice helpful, leave a comment down in the comment section. And if you are looking for ways to help yourself, be sure to check out the description box for helpful links. If you like this video, click the like button and think about subscribing to the Upright Health YouTube channel because we make a lot of good videos and you don't want to miss the next 3 videos on helping you with your muscles. That's it. As always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.